Children, this is your Netra ma'am from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Mathematics class for 2nd standard. Children, in the previous class we learnt about subtraction. In this class we will learn about multiplication. In this chapter we will learn about understand multiplication through repeated addition, construct multiplication tables, 4 ones are 4, multiply single digit number. Children, see these pictures. What are these? Yes, these are squares. How many squares are there? There are 2 squares in 3 groups. So we will write 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 6. This is the addition form. Here 2 is repeated 3 times. So we will write 2 into 3 is equals to 6. This is the multiplication form. See the next pictures. What are these? Yes, these are circles. How many circles are there? There are 5 circles in 2 groups. So we will write 5 plus 5. What is 5 plus 5? Yes, 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. This is the addition form. Here 5 is repeated 2 times. So we will write 5 into 2. What is 5 into 2? 5 2s are 10. This is the multiplication form. Children, see these pictures. What are these? Yes, these are circles. How many circles are there? There are 6 circles in 4 groups. So we will write 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equals to 24. Next we will write multiplication form. 4 times 6 is 24. 6 into 4 is equals to 24. See the next pictures. What are these? Yes, these are hexagons. How many hexagons are there? There are 4 hexagons in 2 groups. So we will write 4 plus 4. What is 4 plus 4? 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. 4 is repeated 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. Therefore, 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8. See the next pictures. What are these? Yes, these are dolls. How many dolls are there? 3 dolls in 3 groups. So we will write 3 plus 3 plus 3. What is 3 plus 3 plus 3? 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equals to 9. 3 is repeated 3 times. Therefore, 3 times 3 is 9. Therefore, 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 9. Now we will learn about multiplication property of multiplying by 1. How many flower pots are there in the above figure? 3 flower pots are there in the above figure. How many plants are there in each pot? 1 plant is there in each pot. How many plants are there in these pots altogether? There are 3 pots. There is 1 plant in each pot. So we will write 3 into 1 is equals to 3. When any number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. Now we will learn about the property of multiplication by 0. Observe the given examples. 7 into 0 is equals to 0. 15 into 0 is equals to 0. What is product obtained in the above examples? In the above examples, the product is 0. From the above examples, we can conclude that when any number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. Children, see these pictures. What are these? Yes, these are beads. How many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads are there in 3 groups. So we will write 5 plus 5 plus 5. What is 5 plus 5 plus 5? Yes, 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equals to 15. Now we will write multiplication form. 5 is repeated 3 times. So we will write 5 into 3. What is 5 into 3? 5 3 is a 15. Therefore, 5 multiplied by 3 is equals to 15. Children, see these pictures. What are these? Yes, these are bindis. How many bindis are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bindis are there in 4 groups. So we will write 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. What is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4? Yes, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equals to 16. This is the addition form. Now we will write the multiplication form. Here 4 is repeated 4 times. So we will write 4 into 4. What is 4 into 4? 4 4s are 16. Therefore, 4 multiplied by 4 is equals to 16. Children, see these pictures. What are these? Yes, these are grapes. How many grapes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 grapes are there in each group. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups are there. So we will write 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. What is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6? Yes, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equals to 30. Now we will write the multiplication form. Here, which number is there? 6 is there. So we will write 6. How many times 6 is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is repeated 5 times. So we will write 5. What is 6 into 5? 6 5 is 30. Therefore, 6 multiplied by 5 is equals to 30. Children, here already they are given addition form. Now we will write the multiplication form. Here, which number is there? Yes, 2 is there. 2 is repeated how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 2 is repeated 6 times. So we will write 2 into 6. 2 6 are how much? Yes, 2 6 are 12. Therefore, 2 multiplied by 6 is equals to 12. Addition form is converted to multiplication form using a sign into. Here 2 is the multiplicand, 6 is the multiplier, 12 is the product. The number which gets multiplied is the multiplicand. The number which multiplies is the multiplier. The answer obtained is the product. Here we should match the addition form to its multiplication form. First one we have 3 plus 3. Here 3 is repeated 2 times. So we will match it with 3 into 2. In next question we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Here 2 is repeated 6 times. So we will match it with 2 into 6. In the next question we have 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Here 4 is repeated 4 times. So we will match it with 4 into 4. See the next question. We have 5. Here 5 is repeated only one time. So we will match it with 5 into 1. See the next question. Here we have 6 plus 6. 6 is repeated 2 times. So we will match it with 6 into 2. See the last question. Here we have 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Here 7 is repeated 5 times. So we will match it with 7 into 5. Children, now we should write the fill in the blanks. Here they are given addition form. Now we will write the multiplication form and that product. See the first question. Which number is this? Yes, this is 2. How many times 2 is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 is repeated 4 times. So we will write 2 into 4. 2 fours are how much? 2 fours are 8. See the next question. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0 is repeated 5 times. So we will write 0 into 5. What is 0 into 5? 0 multiplied by 5 is equals to 0 only. Because when any number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. See the next question. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Here 5 is repeated 6 times. So we will write 5 into 6. What is 5 into 6? 5 6 are 30. See the next question. 6 plus 6 plus 6. Here 6 is repeated 3 times. So we will write 6 into 3. What is 6 into 3? 6 3s are 18. See the next question. 4 plus 4 plus 4. Here 4 is repeated 3 times. So we will write 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. Therefore the product of 4 into 3 is equals to 12. Here we have one box which has 4 apples in it. So we will write 4 into 1. Here we have two boxes which has 4 apples in it. 4 is repeated 2 times. So we will write 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is equals to 8. Here we have 3 boxes which has 4 apples in it. 4 is repeated 3 times. So we will write 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. Children, see here. How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes are there. In each box, how many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples are there in each box. 4 is repeated 4 times. So we will write 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. Children, see here. How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes are there. How many apples are there in each box? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples are there in each box. So 4 is repeated 5 times. So we will write 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. See the next picture. How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boxes are there. In each box 4 apples are there. So we will write 4 into 6. 4 6s are 24. Children, see here. How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 boxes are there. How many apples are there in each box? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples are there in each box. 4 is repeated 7 times. So we will write 4 into 7. 4 7s are 28. See here. How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 boxes are there. In each box 4 apples are there. 4 is repeated 8 times. So we will write 4 into 8. 4 8s are 32. Children, see here. How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 boxes which has 4 apples. 4 is repeated 9 times. So we will write 4 into 9. 4 9s are 36. See here. How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boxes which has 4 apples. 4 is repeated 10 times. So we will write 4 into 10. 4 tens are 40. Children, observe the given chart and we should fill the boxes with their product. Here we should multiply the numbers in the first circle and the second circle. In the first part we have 7 in the inner circle and 5 in the second circle. So we will multiply 7 into 5 is equals to 35. In the next one we have 0 and 8. 0 into 8 is equals to 0 only. Because if any number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Next number is 4 and 9. 4 into 9 is equals to 36. So we will write 36. Next number is 1 and 7. 1 into 7 is equals to 7. So we will write 7. Because if any number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. Next number is 9 and 2. 9 into 2 is equals to 18. So we will write 18. Next number is 3 and 3. 3 into 3 is equals to 9. So we will write 9. Next number is 4 and 5. 4 into 5 is equals to 20. So we will write 20. Children, here we should multiply and find the product. See the first question. 2 into 5. What is 2 into 5? 2 5s are 10. So we will write 10. See the next question. 3 into 0. What is 3 into 0? Remember children, when any number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. So we will write 0. See the next question. 9 into 3. What is 9 into 3? 9 3s are 27. So we will write 27. See the next question. 7 into 9. 7 9s are 63. So we will write 63. See the next question children. 8 into 6. 8 6s are how much? 8 6s are 48. So we will write 48. See the next question. 10 into 5. 10 5s are how much? 10 5s are 50. So we will write 50. See the next question. 6 into 4. 6 4s are 24. So we will write 24. Children, do this homework. Construct multiplication tables of 3 and 6 by using matchsticks and complete the textbook page number 138, 139, 140.